Hey guys and gals on YouTube, how y'all doing today? We have Lego set 75257, the also known as a 2019 Millennium Falcon. Have made some modifications on this one. This looks more like the 2011. I put the circular inverted towel and a short section of the round 2x2. Just makes it more look like the, well, I prefer this attachment though. Other slight changes, I added one of the paint rollers here. Moved some of the studs around, just added the greebling a little bit. But the biggest changes in the purpose of this video, and I know that the clone trims are a little odd, I just needed some figures to show the height difference, is these play scale Millennium Falcons sit too far down to access the ramp. And as you can tell, where the ramp is, you still are too short, but we've raised the Millennium Falcon. Move these guys out of the way. By putting in, changing these studs here for the drop down. See that? We now have a 3x5 lift arm. And I've taken the ones on the front, reversed them, which puts the feet toward the front and sort of stops this tendency of it wanting to tip forward. The only problem with these 3x5s, hold on, is it comes with these 2x4s. And see, they got the little cross pattern here, which allows the Technic axle to remain steady. These do not. So these, when you lift up on here, this will rotate. I did put a half blue stud in the top to prevent it going completely around and getting messed up. But this slight movement, surprisingly, does not seem to affect the stability of the set at all. Anyways, it's kind of cool because when you lift upon it, the feet kind of adjust. It allows it to also adjust slightly when it sits down. And of course, there's the ramp right there. And it's still not as far up as I want to see it, but a little bit better, I think. Anyways, let me know what you think about the modifications on Lego set 75257 or the 2019 Millennium Falcon, and leave me a note and comment. Let me know what you think, and stay safe out there, everyone. Until next time, ciao.